Sosman Official Channel. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to English with Sosman Official Channel. Lost Love, jacaylkii lumay, another stories iyo sheekooyin kale. Lan ku baro English Ingiriisiga through story sheeko. Part 9 qaybtii 9. He didn't want ma uusan doonin to tell me inuu ii sheego, but laakiin then kadib he said waxa uu yidhi there was a big fire waxa ahaaday dab weyn in the village tuulada. Everyone cid kasta died way dhimatay. There aren't any people or houses now. Hadda wax dad ah ama guryo maan halka. How did it happen? Sidee bay ku dhacday? I ask ayaan weydiiyaan why iyo sababta. Oliver Cromwell killed them ayaa dilay ayuu yidhi. He said ayuu yidhi. He was angry with wuxuu u xanaaqsanaa the villagers reer tuulada. Villagers waa reer tuulada because maxaa yeelay they helped waxay ku caawiyeen the king boqorkii in the war ee dagaalka. I could not speak ma aanan hadli karin. This isn't right. I thought waxaan ku fikiray inay tahay sax ayana. That war dagaalkaasi happened waxa uu dhacay 350 years ago 350 sano ka hor. Then kadib I remembered waxaan xusuustay the strange clothes dharkii la yaabka lahaa, the long hair timihii dhaadheeraa, the food cuntadii over the fire dabka dushii ahayd, and the old houses iyo guryihii qadiimiga ahaa. And I remembered too waxaan sidoo kale xusuustay about the horses wax ku saabsan fardihii, but laakiin I don't understand ma fahmayo. I cried waan ooyey. I saw waxaan arkay the people dadka and the village iyo tuuladii. I spoke waxaan ula hadlay to some people dadka qaar dee halkaa joogay. The man ninkii looked quickly at me si dhaqsile ayuu ii soo eegay, and then kadib he spoke waa uu hadlay. There is waxa aatay an interesting story sheeka xiise leh about the village ku saabsan tuulada. For one day hal maalin gudaheeda every 10 years 10 sano walbo it lives again mar kale ayay noolaataa, but only for one day hal maalin kaliya gudaheeda, for only one day hal maalin qurane, then kadib it goes away waa la waayaa. It disappears or it vanishes exactly again mar kale for another 10 years 10 sano kale. Improve your pronunciation. Improve your pronunciation. Lost Love, another stories. Learn English through story. Part 9. He didn't want to tell me, but then he said there was a big fire in the village. Everyone died. There aren't any people or houses now. How did it happen? I asked. And why? Oliver Cromwell killed them. He said he was angry with the villagers because they helped the king in the war. I could not speak. This isn't right, I thought. That war happened 350 years ago. Then I remembered the strange clothes, the long hair, the food over the fire, and the old houses. And I remembered too about the horses. But I don't understand. I cried. I saw the people at the village. I spoke to some people there. The man looked quickly at me, and then he spoke. There is an interesting story about the village. For one day, every 10 years, it lives again, but only for one day, then it goes away again for another 10 years. Thanks.
ألف لو كنت بي ألف لو سنبي ألف لا قذي